deployments of LTE will begin at the end of 2010, and it will pursue in 2011, 12, 13, depending on the various strategies and financial constraints of operators. Concerning spectrum for LTE, the World Radio Conference that took place in October-November 2007 last year in Geneva opened new possibilities of a spectrum, and particularly in some upper bands, in the C bands, 3.4, 3.6 gigahertz, for instance. But still, 3G spectrum will be also useful in the 2 giga, in the 2.76 giga for the LTE spectrum. I think also in lower bands, for instance, in the digital dividend, some possibilities will, in the upper band of UHF, upper part of UHF band, will be of some use also later for LTE. It's important not to forget voice services. Of course, LTE will be mainly data, but voice has also a nice future still. And also, let's not forget that rich voice will be video telephony, and also this will be comprised in voice services. And high quality voice, video telephony, etc. Will have to be comprised in LTE services. Concerning the importance of HSPA+, definitely is an important step, particularly for operators that want to optimize their initial investments, their legacy investments in 3G, 3G+, HSPA, then optimizing with HSPA+, either before going to LTE a bit later, or in parallel to deploy LTE in dense urban areas and business centers, and to complete with HSPA+ in more rural areas. I think the interest of 3GPP technologies and the GSM, UMTS, LTE family is that it's a progressive and evolutionary roadmap that optimizes, that is based on previous investments, previous platforms, network platforms. Nevertheless, there will certainly be some costs with LTE in radio, but also in core network. So we will have operators will have to optimize as much as possible their legacy networks and go progressively to benefit from that. Definitely, LTE should not be deployed neither too early nor too late. But not too early, because it's important to capitalize on lessons from the past and benefit from terminals, ready terminals, affordable terminals, existing ecosystem. It will depend on, let's say, on operators' various strategies. So not too early and not too late.